Hello everybody. Today we are test driving Ford Transit Custom, which came in with the EGR problems. Now the problems has been solved. What would you like to say about your car? How was it and how it is now?
Wow, unbelievable.
It's wow.
Oh, yeah, so much quicker, responds as soon as you touch the accelerator. Yeah, a million times better.
Nothing but pleasure.
Oh, it is. It's going to be an absolute pleasure to drive it now. So, yeah, looking forward to getting on the motorway and, yeah, just driving it. Yeah,
Right.
Very good.
Another happy, satisfied customer from Supreme DPF Cleaning. We are on www.supremedpfcleaning.com website, and also you can reach us on 07533 636 194. 07533 636 194. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button. It will help me. Thank you.